Hare Krishna, Srimad Bhagavatam of Krishna Dvaipana Vyasa by Selva Krishna, Chapter 1, Question by the Sages. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Janmade Asya Yato Yad Itaratas Kartesya Adinyas Swaratah Tena Brahma Hridaya Adika Kavi Muhyan Yat Suraya Tejavari Mridam Yata Vinimayo Yatra Tri Sargo Mrisadamna Svinena Sada Nirastada Pusagam Satyam Param Dhimahi. I offer my obsession unto Lord Sri Krishna, son of Vasudeva, who is the supreme all-pervading personality of Godhead. I meditate upon him, the transcendental reality, who is the priminal cause of all causes, from whom all manifested universe arise, in whom they dwell, and by whom they are destroyed. I meditate upon that eternally effulgent Lord, who is directly and indirectly conscious of all manifestation, and yet is beyond them. It is he only who first imparted Vedic knowledge unto the heart of Brahma, the first created being. Through him, this world like a mirage appears real even to great sages and demigods. Because of him, the material universe created by the three modes of the nature appear to be factual. Although they are unreal, I meditate therefore upon him, the absolute truth, who is eternally existent in this transcendental Adab and who is forever free of illusion. Dharma प्रोजित कवितवोत्र परमो निर्मत्सरणं सतां वेद्यं वास्तवम् अत्र वस्तु शिवदां तापो त्रयोण मूलन श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते कुन्वापररिर् ईश्वरः सद्यो हृदये अवरुध्यते त्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूः सुभिस्तक सनात्. Completely rejecting all religious activity which is materially motivated, this Bhagavata Purana profounds the highest truth which is understandable by those devotees who are pure in heart. The highest truth is reality distinguished from illusion, from the welfare of all. Such truth approved the threefold Mysorees. This beautiful Bhagavatam, compiled by the great sage Sri Vyasadeva, is sufficient in itself for God realization. As soon as one attentively and submissively hears the message of Bhagavatam, he becomes attached to the Supreme Lord. Nigamakalpa tarorgalidam pala sukamukad amrita drava samyutam Vibhata Bhagavatam Rasam Alayam Muhur Aho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavakaha. Know all thoughtful men that Srimad Bhagavatam is a mature fruit of the tree of Vedic literature. It emanated from the lips of Sri Sukadeva Goswami. Therefore, this nectarian fruit is all more reliable by liberated souls. Naimise Nimisa Sutri Rasaya Saunaka Daya Satram Sarvaya Lokaya Sahasrasamam Asatta. Once in the holy place in the forest of Naimisaranya, a great sage headed by sage Saunaka assembled to perform a great 1,000-year sacrifice for the satisfaction of the Lord and his devotees. Tayagada tu munaya pratarhyute shuta Nyaya Satkrata Sutam Asinam Paprachuridam Adarad. One day, after finishing their morning duties by burning a sacrificial fire and respectfully offering a seat to Srila Sutta Goswami, the great sages made earnest inquiries about the following matters. Rasya Uchuhu Tvaya Kalu Puranani Siddhi Hasani Kanaga Akihiya Danya Api Aditani Dharma Shastrini Rani Yanyuta. The sages said, respected Sutta Goswami, you are completely free from all vice. You are well versed in the religious scriptures, the Puranas and histories, for you have gone through them under proper guidance and have also explained them. Yani Veda Vidam Sreshto Bhagavan Padarayana Anisha Munaya Sutta Paravara Vido Viddu. Being the eldest learned Vedantist was Sutta Goswami, you are acquainted with the knowledge of Vyasadeva, who is the incarnation of Godhead. And you also know other sages who are fully versed in all kind of physical and metaphysical knowledge. Vedatvam Saumya Tat Sarvam Tatvatastad Anugrahad Bruhiyu Snighatsya Shishyasya Guruvo Guhyam Api Yuta. And because you are submissive, your spiritual masters have endowed you with all their favors. Therefore, you can tell us all you have learned from them. Tatra Tatranjasa Yushman Bhavata Yad Vinishitam Pumsam Ekantataha Sreyastannaha Samsutim Arhasi. Please, therefore, being blessed with many years, explain to us what you ascertain to be the absolute and ultimate good for the people in general. Prayena labda pyayushaha so sabhyah kala asmin yuge janaha mandaha sumada mat Mand Bhagya He Upadrutaha. O learned one, in this iron age of Kali, men have but short lives. They are quarrelsome, lazy, misguided, unlucky, and above all, always disturbed. Burini, Buri, Garmani, Stotavyani, Vivaha Gasaha, Atasagotra Yatsaram Samut Tritya Manisaya Gruhi Badraya Bhutanam Yatatma Suprasida Dati. There are many varieties of scriptures. In all of them, there are many prescribed duties which can be learned only after many years of study. Therefore, O sage, please select the essential teaching of all the scriptures and explain them for the good of all living beings, that by such instruction their hearts may be satisfied. Janasi Badram Te Bhagavan Sattam Pati Devakyam Vasudevasya Jata Yashya Shikrusha Saya. All blessing upon you, O Sutta Goswami. You know for what purpose the personality of Godhead appeared in the womb of Devaki as a son of Vasudeva. Tanya Shushru Samananam Arhishi Angananuratinutam Yashyavadaru Bhutanam Shemayasa Bhavyavayacha. Enlighten one, O Sutta, about the personality of the Godhead and its incarnation. We are eager to learn those teaching imparted by previous masters, acharyas, for one is uplifted by hearing them. Apanaha samskritam Goram Yannama Vivasogrananam Tata Sadyo Vimuksyate Yadvibhiti Swayam Vayam. Living beings who are entangled by the meshes of birth and death can be freed immediately by even consciously chanting the holy name of Krishna, which is feared by fear personified. Yatpada samsrayaha sutta munayaha prasamayayanaha sadyanya punnante upasprastaha swardanyaya nusevaya. O Sutta, those great sages who have completely taken shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord can at once sanctify those who come in touch with them. whereas the waters of the Ganges can sanctify only after prolonged use. को वा भगवतास्तस्य पुण्य श्लोके देव्य कर्मणाः शुद्धिकामो न शृणुयद् यशाकलिमलाबाहम्. Who is that desiring deliverance from the vices of the age of Kali, who is not willing to hear the glories of the Lord? तस्य कर्मणा उदराणि परिगितानि सुरिभिः गृहीणा श्रद्धादाननाम् लीलायाय दत्तहतः कलहा. His transcendental acts are magnificent and gracious, and great learned sages like Narada sing of them. Please therefore speak to us who are eager to hear about these adventures which he performed in his various incarnations. Atakyaha hi haredhiman avatarakaatah subha leela vidadadatah svairam ishwaras yatma mayaya. O Vaisuta, please narrate to us the transcendental pastime of the Supreme Godhead's multiple incarnations. Such auspicious adventures and pastimes of the Lord are performed by his internal powers. Vyayam tunam titirpayama utama sloka vikrame yashravatam rasnyanam svedu swadu pade pade. We never tire of hearing the transcendental pastime of the personality of Godhead, who is glorified by hymns and prayers. Those who enjoy association of him relish hearing of his pastime at very moment. Kratvan kilaka karmani sahakaramena keshavaya atimratyayani bhagavan gudaha kapata munusaha. Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, and Balarama played like human being, and so much they perform many superhuman acts. Katim agatam ajnanaya kshetrasmin Vaishnavevyam asini drigha satrena katayam sakshana harehe. Knowing well that the age of Kali has already begun, we are assembled here in the holy place to hear at great length the transcendental message of the God, and this way perform sacrifice. Tvamna sadrishturdratradustaram nisistrasatam kalim satvaharam pumsam karnadara varnavam. We think that we met your grace by the will of providence, and thus we accept you as a captain of the ship for those who desire to cross the danger ocean of Kali, which destroy all the good qualities of the human being. Bruhi Yogeshware Krishna Brahmane Dharma Varmani Swam Kastam Adhyuna Pete Dharma Agam Saranam Gata. Now that Sri Krishna, the absolute truth, the master of all mystic powers, has departed for his own adab, please let us by whom religious principles are presently protected. Thank you. Hare Krishna.